phone swap from the island of Mauritius. This vlog is unboxing vlog of my new DJI Osmo Pocket. So, ta-da! So without further ado, let's find out what are inside this bag. So of course, first one is the DJI Osmo Pocket backpack strap mount, filters, card reader, and Samsung 64GB card, underwater case for the Osmo Pocket, the foldable tripod, and selfie stick, underwater stick, and bag, and I think this is like a backpack or something. And last but not least, the manual. Ready? I'm excited. Lightning connector, type C for Android, cable, and a lace. Okay, there. Ta-da! So this is the Osmo Pocket in the flesh. So that's the unboxing thing. So now we will get this DJI Osmo working. Battery is already built in, so I'll remove the thing here. And what's this? Remove before powering on. Ooh. So I'm going to remove this also cover. Should I remove? It's for the screen. So there are two buttons. One is the power, and the red dot is for recording, I believe. So let's turn it on. I hope this one has battery. Ooh, you see that? You see that? So see, have option for the language. Of course, I don't speak Chinese, I don't speak French, so I speak English. It's touchscreen, so nice. See, I didn't put the SD card yet, but I think it's working pretty well. It's so cool. I set this Osmo Action to face detection mode, so we can see how the face track of this Osmo Action, like how good this is. Okay. One of the many good features of the DJI Osmo Action is the picture. So I will get these things organized first, and then I will try recording a video, of course, using this Osmo Pocket. So I will insert the sample video in a short while.